Land surveying requires a trustworthy, competent organization. Scondesign is one of the leading land surveying businesses in Delhi NCR. Scondesign is a prominent land surveyor in the region due to its years of experience. Scondesign provides a variety of land surveying services to Delhi NCR clients. They can handle construction staking, boundary surveys, and topographic surveys. They use the newest technology and equipment to conduct precise and trustworthy surveys. They stand out from other companies in the region due to their attention to detail. Scondesign is the top land surveying firm in Delhi NCR because of their customer service. They work closely with clients to meet their expectations since they recognize that each client has distinct demands and requirements. They deliver fast and cost-effective services to finish projects on time. Scondesign's expertise staff makes them the best land surveyor in Delhi NCR. Their expert surveyors can handle even the most complicated jobs. To keep projects running well, they have a support crew. Scondesign is also noted for its competitive pricing. Their services are inexpensive without sacrificing quality. This makes them a popular alternative for clients who want high-quality land surveying services at a fair price. In conclusion, Scondesign is Delhi NCR's greatest land surveyor. Their knowledge, devotion to customer satisfaction, experienced specialists, and cheap pricing make them ideal for any land surveying job. Contact them today to learn more about their services and how they can help you with your project. Land surveyors must be chosen carefully. Scondesign is the most experienced and professional land surveying company in Delhi NCR. Scondesign's accuracy, precision, and attention to detail make it Delhi NCR's best land surveyor firm. Scondesign has been surveying land for years and has a reputation for reliability and trustworthiness. Scondesign provides precise and trustworthy surveying services for all types of projects, from modest residential developments to major commercial and industrial sites, with a team of highly skilled and experienced professionals. Scondesign is Delhi NCR's top land surveyor since it uses the latest technology and equipment. To provide precise and dependable data, the organization heavily invests in innovative surveying tools and processes. Scondesign can finish projects faster and more efficiently due to their technical commitment. Scondesign prioritizes customer service alongside its technology-driven approach. The company works closely with clients to produce customized solutions that fit their individual goals since it recognizes that every client has distinct demands and expectations. Scondesign provides high-quality topographical maps and boundary surveys to satisfy its clients' expectations.